In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell affiliate products on WooCommerce WordPress. If you're looking for a way to monetize your WordPress website with affiliate marketing, WooCommerce provides an excellent platform to showcase and promote affiliate products. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your process, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps you need to take to set up and publish an affiliate product. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional product page that redirects customers to your affiliate partner's website. So let's dive in and get started. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, hover your mouse over the New option in the top bar. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, click on Product. This will open up a new product creation page where you'll begin setting up your affiliate product. At the top of the page, you'll see a field for the product name. Here, enter the name of your affiliate product. For example, if you're promoting Elementor Pro, you can type that in as the title. Remember, the product name is one of the first things your customers will see, so make sure it's clear and recognizable. Next, move to the main content area below the title field. This is where you'll add a detailed description of the product. Be as informative as possible. Explain what the product is, its key features, and how it benefits the user. The more engaging and clear your description is, the more likely you are to generate interest and conversions. Now, scroll down the page until you see the Product Data section. This section is where you'll configure the product as an affiliate item. In the drop-down menu at the top of this section, select External Affiliate Product. This is the option you'll use to link the product to your affiliate partner's website. Once you've selected the correct product type, you'll see a field labeled Product URL. Here, paste your affiliate link, the special URL provided by your affiliate program that tracks referrals. This link is crucial because it ensures you earn a commission for every sale made through your site. Below the URL field, you'll find a space to customize the button text. By default, it might say something like Buy Now, but you can personalize it to fit the product or your branding. For instance, you can change it to Get It Now or Shop Now to make it more appealing. Next, set the regular price of the product in the regular price field. This is the price the product sells for on your affiliate partner's website. If you don't have permission to offer discounts, you can leave the sale price field empty. After this, head over to the Inventory tab located in the same Product Data section. If you'd like, you can add an SKU number for tracking purposes. This step is optional, but it can be helpful for managing and organizing your products. Now, in the short description field, add a concise summary of the product. This description often appears in prominent areas of the product page, so make sure it highlights the most important features or benefits of the item. Moving on, look to the right-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find the option to create or select product categories. If you don't already have categories set up, click on Add New Category. You can create a parent category, such as software, and then add a subcategory, like Page Builder, assigning it to the parent category. Categories help organize your products and make them easier to find on your site. Below the Categories section, you'll see an area for product tags. Tags are like keywords that help with search functionality. Add relevant tags such as WordPress, Elementor, or Web Design Tool, and then click Add to include them. Now it's time to set a product image. A strong visual is key to attracting attention. So click on Set Product Image. Then go to the Upload Files tab and select the image file from your computer. Once uploaded, click Set Product Image to finalize your selection. When everything is set up, scroll back to the top of the page and click the blue Publish button. This will make your affiliate product live on your website. To ensure everything looks perfect, open the product page in a new tab. Check that the product name, price, description, categories, tags, and button text are all correct. Finally, click the Get It Now button to confirm it redirects to the affiliate product page with your unique affiliate link. And that's it. You've successfully added an affiliate product to your WooCommerce store. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.